What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you can see, we are working with something a little new, a little different, just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. I can't even lie to you, girl, this was a whole struggle. It was a struggle. This is actually my third time trying to do knotless braids, and y'all, for beginners, it is mad hard. I can't even sit up here and be like, my tutorial or what I show you is gonna make it any easier. I cannot promise you that, because girl, I don't know. But I'm gonna try to help you guys out as much as possible. And first of all, I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what I use. So for my braiding hair, I use the Spectrum Easy Braid hair. This is in the color 1B and in the inches 26. Then 26 inches, and it already comes with 4 different like little bundles in the packet. So these packets are like, you guys, lifesaver. I advise you to get, if you can get it in a packet like big like this, definitely try it. This was only $6.99. This is the As I Am Double Butter Cream, and I use this for my moisturizer and the Shine and Jam for my parts and everything goes. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick spin around, quick look, so you can see what I'm looking like, what I got going on with the braids. That is what we are working with, and I of course just use the red tail comb with like the metal end to do my parting and that kind of thing. Girl, it's probably mad crooked because I cannot see what the back looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and stick around. Guys, I was sure to leave this in real time so you guys can see the struggle, because girl, this was a whole struggle, okay? So for the entire back side, pretty much what I did was use the pointer finger and the thumb to grab it. To start off, I only like braided or crossed over once and then started to add in hair because my hair is really fine. So I was noticing that if I would braid like 3 times or whatever and then start to add hair, it was way too thin at the top. So I didn't want that problem. So yeah, I just did it this way instead. But every time I did use my pointer finger and my thumb and then just grab the hair and add it and continue to braid like normal. But you do want to make sure that you are braiding tight, because if you're not, then it's going to slip and then you're going to have a knot, and that defeats the purpose of knotless braids. So here you can see, girl, I am struggling, okay, with this hair. It's really hard to see the back of your head, and I just wanted you guys to see the real struggle. So I definitely wanted to leave it like this so you guys could see everything, because y'all know I'm always here to give you the real, give you the tea. I just want you to see. top, the way I braided was completely different. I noticed that trying to braid the way that I was braiding in the back section didn't work for the front. So I definitely took a different route and just started to braid like normal, like as if I was doing a braid out. I still made sure that it was tight, because if not, it had that knot and you don't want the knot. So watch out for that. But that's why I say you definitely have to learn your own technique and learn what works best for you. You cannot follow everybody's way of doing things, because y'all, it is difficult to do things everybody else's way. You know what I'm saying? So do what's comfortable for you, because it made it so much easier for me to braid different in different sections of my hair. I took another route here too. So yeah, I braided differently here too, because on this other side of my head, it was difficult to catch the same groove that I was doing on the opposite side. So yeah, I just took another route. Girl, just get it done. It doesn't matter how you do it, just get it done, okay? Listen, all right, just so y'all know, so y'all don't think I'm out here playing with y'all and I'm lying to y'all or whatever. You guys, I did this hairstyle with less than 1 pack of hair. One pack of this, like less than 1 pack. I do wish I knew how to do them with more hair or whatever to make them look fuller. And of course, I'll practice on that, get it along the way or whatever. But I only used like less than a pack. I actually still have a whole bundle left on this pack, as well as another small little piece left. So I mean, I had hair left. So girl, I got a whole hairdo for $6.99. Here's the thing, being in quarantine has taught me that I can do so much. There is no way, absolutely no way I would pay someone else $130 to do this, because obviously I can do it myself. It's not all that easy, but once you get the rhythm of it and once you get the hang of it, once you get your technique down pat, it'll be fine. Everything will be fine, okay? And another thing, you don't have to use the finger that everyone else is using like that. They're using the pointer finger to grab the hair. And if it takes you to use your middle finger and your thumb to grab the hair while you're doing whatever, do that. Do what feels right to you. Do what feels best for you, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, because if you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP as always, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video.